Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard, that I am providing very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off for myself in front of all nations and entire human kingdom. For I must get the civil justice, and I will quickly read through the civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. Okay, it is victims of abuse, patients, medical, finance, aid, compensations, claims process. In the year summer 2019 to December 2019, I, Vedapriya Prose, filed lawsuit against at fault and found guilty prostitute, domestic violent in wild endangered species, poisonous, absolute monarchs for tax-free $50,000 trillion in state of Wisconsin, USA. And that is why domestic violent prostitute, absolute monarchs created COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce pain infliction in my brain nerves as of February 22, 2021. So the crime one, count one is absolute monarchs prostitute, COVID-19 plague, absolute monarchs failed in for Pope job, God of USA job, and with fatal negligence created a COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Prose, to wear the mask, and it is deadliest crime of COVID plague absolute monarchs to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the mask as mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want Republica prostitute absolute monarchs to drink COVID-19 vaccinations and chew and eat COVID-19 needles count by count provided by pharmaceuticals as in Pfizer's, etc. Nobody in the earth should dare to help the prostitute absolute monarchs to drink the vaccination of COVID-19. And I, Vedapriya Prose, want Republica prostitute absolute monarchs to eat all COVID-19 masks, as in chew and eat the masks, and nobody should dare to help end Republica prostitute absolute monarchs failed in absolute monarch's job and with fatal negligence and with deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence, and classified as deadliest venom, poisonous wild endangered species for created COVID-19 plague, and mandated mask to enforce emotional torture pain infliction on brain nerves of I, Vedapriya Prose. So I, Vedapriya Prose, want wild endangered species, domestic violent, leprosy patient, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs to sign off tax-free $5,000 trillion per prostitute absolute monarchs times total absolute monarchs direct deposit or wire transfer to my bank account in next 1 second. Damages to my brain nerves done by prostitute absolute monarchs is classified domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved. And Roman province Jesuits arcs of USA in 50 states of state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon must pay separate tax-free $500,000 trillion. Multiply with 10 states of Jesuits is 500, followed by 4 zeros, and then that much trillion dollars must be direct deposited to my bank account by the Roman province Jesuits organization. So what is the domestic violent types provided by absolute monarchs? It comes under the breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land, chattels and types. And I hope we are all on the same page, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, I should get the civil justice immediately without any delay. And I must get the civil justice right in front of entire nations, entire human kingdom only. And it is a fatal negligence of USA nation to allow the wild endangered species, absolute monarchs, to be allowed to live free. That is the deadliest crime, zero tolerance crime, and I don't know whether the USA government is even aware of the severity of the crime I'm talking about. Right? So, and I hope my civil justice will provide the rightful help in a timely manner. That way I could get the job offer signed off. I can get the rightful salary, for I'm displaying all the errors and the true criminals who created the COVID-19 plague at the first place, right? So because it is absolute monarchs who created the COVID-19 plague, for civil justice according to the Holy Bible, one more time I want to repeat. I want Queen Elizabeth to the prostitute to drink the COVID-19 vaccinations and also eat the COVID-19 needles, and nobody should help Queen Elizabeth on how to eat. And then I want the prostitute Pope Francis to drink all the COVID-19 vaccination and must chew and eat each and every single COVID-19 needles, and also must eat the COVID-19 mask, and nobody should help the prostitute Pope Francis. And then there are long list of absolute monarchs worldwide displayed, right? They are the faces of Pope Francis, and each absolute monarch, Satan's the prostitutes, be it Dalai Lama prostitute, Yoga Guru's prostitute, or fake Israel leader Netanyahu prostitute, right, or United Arab Emirates leaders prostitutes. They all must eat and chew the COVID-19 mask one by one, and must also drink all the COVID-19 vaccinations, and nobody in the earth must help. And that is a civil justice served according to the Holy Bible guidelines, and nobody will dare to ask why I am providing that kind of a civil justice. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, each absolute monarch must pay me $500,000 trillion in direct deposit to my bank account, and it will be the USA government will help in guidance on how to transfer the finance in a very safe and secured way. Okay, and yes, my dear fellow mankind, one more time, I sure will forever get the rightful civil justice for entire human count by count in 1 minute. Be patient. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.